to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Monday morning makeup number 41. I know I said last week was number 39, but I was wrong. It was number 40. So this is number 41, and we are basically just playing around in makeup today. Today is, trying to make it a little bit darker. Today is my birthday, so I am just playing around in makeup. I decided that I wanted to pull out my Mcgrath Heutopian Dreams palette and play with that. I have the Essessence's Yummy Balm, Yummy Skin Balm. In number 8. I have her powder in number 3. I have a Mally concealer. So pretty much just pulling out some favorite brands for my birthday today. And we're going to get started. And yes. So I am not going to put any, and I have hair on my face. I am not going to be putting any, and my hair is sticking out. Any, what is it that I'm looking for? I am not going to put on any primer today because I just put on my moisturizer. I pretty much just got out of the shower. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first. So we're going to grab the, of course, Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade number 4 and do my brows. And I have absolutely no plans except to chill and get ready for this procedure tomorrow. Yeah, we have no plans at all, but that's okay. I am just going to rest and relax. And we shall, oh, before I get the brows going, I am going to zoom in, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I am zoomed in, and we're just going to get these brows together. Alright, so I am back, and the last thing I want to do is my lip. And I decided to go with the Maracuja, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. And I have it in the shade Tulip, which looks like this. And these you click up at the bottom, like what? What do you click them up like? Like a retractable pen. But I like these because they are like a balm and a gloss all at the same time. So this is what Tulip looks like, and we will not be putting on any lip liner with it. But that is it, you all. That is my face for today. I know today's video was a little bit different, but thank you all so much for watching anyway. There will probably not be a video on Thursday because, of course, Thursday is Thanksgiving. So you all enjoy your families and happy Thanksgiving. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.